Chapter 1. Finding your path. Something that I constantly ask myself is, what is the one thing that I truly want to do if money weren't an issue? And I always come back to the same answer: creating art. Creating something that not only resonates with me, but creating something with passion. Something that comes from here. You know, finding my path wasn't an easy task. I studied interactive technologies for the animation industry. In the West Coast, the film industry, and even the video game industry have been very rewarding, but something really deep inside me pushed me back to my roots. That was painting. I started painting when I was like 7, 8 years old. I stopped doing that because I was so afraid of what other people would think. It's not an easy choice, it's not an easy task. Very hard to begin with, but not impossible. It takes time. Just like anything in life, when you love something so much and you are dedicating yourself, your soul, investing not only your energy but also time, well, the outcome, eventually at some point, that's gonna pay off. And this is the result of that. Finding your path is key to success. Let me tell you why. Imagine you are flying an airplane without any route in mind. It could be hours, it could be days, a long period of time, but at some point, that fuel is gonna run out and you're gonna end up crashing if you don't have like a destination in mind, a very specific destination in mind. What do you truly wanna do in life if money weren't an issue? What's that thing that you truly wanna pursue? Here are a few anecdotes that happened to me recently. This girl, she always wanted to write a book, didn't know how to do it, gradually started writing some pages, and she finally published that book. And then one day, a DM on Instagram, this producer requested to buy the rights of the book so they can make a feature film. What are the odds that this could happen? I don't know, maybe 1 in a million, but it'll happen if you make the right choice. There is another friend that I really admire, so talented, pursuing his dream life. Everything he makes, all the way down or nothing. He's very obsessed with storytelling and the narrative, music, lenses, everything. You can see that he truly loves doing that. That's his purpose in life. He's always just like with this energy, just like me, like a dog in an elevator. He's always like, Dave, bro, this client, he doesn't understand the quality. Dabai, like, I'm doing this, I'm doing that, like, dabai.
He's just not who we are.
And I love him. I love him so much because he's been growing so fast and I'm so proud of him. That makes me happy. Always focused, always making the most beautiful films. That energy is contagious. Chapter number 2. Measure metrics, not expectations. How many of us, we often feel disappointed because we didn't hit the expectations or things didn't go as planned? Bringing some measurable metrics in our life is gonna help us bring clarity and also come up with a game plan. Maybe you already found your path, maybe you are already aligned. Having a system that works and an expectation in mind will help those metrics when you make that checklist on your day, your schedule for the week or month to hit that specific milestone. Let me give you a really quick example. Let's say you want to bake a cake, you have that expectation, which is like this delicious and tasty round chocolate cake. How are you gonna achieve that? Well, you have a recipe to follow, right? You have measurements, you have all of these ingredients, and step by step, little by little, you are aiming yourself for success. Having very specific metrics in your life, whatever that passion is, you need to have a game plan. And trust me, it's gonna be a life changer. Maybe you don't have a lot of time. Maybe you have a 9 to 5 job. Okay, what can you do within a specific time frame? Maybe after work, a couple hours during the weekends, but find that time. Becoming disciplined is not an easy task. Distractions are important. Procrastination is not. So having a very clear path or metrics to follow along to be more disciplined, to achieve your goals faster. Measure metrics, not expectations. Chapter number 3. Foster your connections. Trust me, I can't emphasize enough the importance of expanding your connections to learn from people who maybe have a completely different discipline than yours. You always learn something new. If you're the type who doesn't really go out that often, please give it a shot. Break that pattern. There are multiple events in your city, either community events or networking events. Try to attend at least once per month or twice a week. It's up to you, but please grow your network. So guys, make new friends, go outside, enjoy life, talk to people, talk to the guy or the pretty lady at the coffee shop. Whatever you do, whenever you do it, whoever you talk to, foster those connections. It's worth it. Trying something new is gonna be distracting for yourself, which is great. A new technique, a new instrument, always give it a try. Granted, trying something new is not comfortable at first, because when you get used to something, you become more proficient, and when you try something for the very first time, quite the opposite, you're gonna be struggling, crying, and be like, I don't wanna do this anymore. That's the point in life. Or maybe you really wanted to try something, and you were craving to do that, then all of a sudden, you hate that. Just because you love something doesn't mean that the process you're gonna put yourself into it's gonna be enjoyable. I've tried so many things and so many things disappointed me, and that's valid, but just give yourself and allow yourself to try something new. I went to this creator's community, and Brett, hi Brett, if you're watching, he said something that truly resonated with me. If you really wanna do something, fuck it, just do it. Stop making excuses. Stop telling yourself, oh, I need more time. Oh, I need the best equipment. I need the best software. I need this, I need that. Just do it. Do it. Don't try to avoid making mistakes. Embrace those lessons. And the best way to find out if you're gonna like something or not is by actually doing it.
You can do this. All right?
Yes, I can.
Good.
Remember that every pro was once an amateur. Even if you are scared, then do it scared. Fear kills dreams, but dreams kills fear. This has been everything for today's video, guys. And remember, just like a painting, we need both light and shadow to come up to life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you very, very soon. Adios.